Hey, this is the tutorial over 10,000 Reasons. I'm just going to go over a few of the words in order so that you can learn them more clearly. First is, the song starts off, bless the Lord, oh my soul. So, bless the Lord, oh my soul. If you have time for O, you can do this, but probably won't have time. So I would just do, bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, worship your holy name. And then for the first verse, the sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. So you're going to start off with the sun coming up. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me. Let me be singing when the evening. Oh wait, sorry. We're going to switch that back because this is ASL. So let me be singing when the evening comes. So you're going to set up the time. Time comes first in ASL. So the sun's going to go back down, and you're going to sing, and you're going to continue. So let's try that again. Let me be singing when the evening comes. And next is the chord. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul. I worship your holy name. And for the O, you can either do it with one hand, two hands. It's meaning like you're in awe of whatever's happening. So it's more on your face. So you need to have lots of expression in whatever you're doing. So if you're in total awe, you want to have that look of awe on your face. Oh. The next verse. Let's see. You're rich in love and you're slow to anger. So, you're rich in love and you're slow to anger. Your name is great. Your heart is kind. So, kind. So you're going to do a circle for heart, and then you're going to pass it down. 4 is more because you are good, I will keep on singing. So, for all your goodness, I will keep on. Sorry. For all your goodness, I will keep on singing. 10,000 reasons. So 10,000 reasons. My heart to find. So 10,000 reasons for my heart to find. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh, my soul, I'll worship your holy name. And for sing like never before, like when you make this one, it's need to have like um, more of a happy face because this means like reviving, like God's reviving your life. So I don't know how to explain. You just want to have a happy face, and then you're gonna sing. For the third verse, and on that day when my strength is failing. So, and on that day when my strength is failing, um, the end draws near and my time has come. So we'll go back over that again. On that day when my strength is failing, the end draws near, and my time has come. So you're saying, I'm going to die, because that's the meaning. Um, what you're saying in here is like, in the future, when it happens, I'm going to be weak. My body's going to decay. Like, just, not decay, but like get weaker and not as strong. So, and then you're saying, I will die. Meaning, like, I will die soon, pretty much. You're on your deathbed. That's what it means. So, let's try that again. And on that day when my strength is failing, the end draws near, and my time has come. Still my soul will sing your praise unending. 10,000 years, so years, and forevermore. So your right hand goes out forevermore. Then it goes to the chorus again, and I believe you know it. So bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I'll worship your holy name. Cool.